everybody, my name is Tyler Patterson, y'all favorite foreign exchange trader. I have a company called Powerhouse Investors LLC where I teach and show people how to trade currencies inside the foreign exchange market. And today, this video is basically going to be about a topic that I've covered like once, but I got so many questions about it on my YouTube channel, and I'm a little busy today because I actually wanted to do like a live session, but I got a little busy today. So this is just gonna be like a quick video explaining something very, very basic, and that is what is the best time to trade. So what I actually like about trading is that it's open 5 days a week. Well, I don't know if you count it as 5 or 6, but ooh, I gotta fix that. But yeah, I don't know if it's 5 days a week or 6 days a week. But what I like about it is whether it's 5 or 6, it's open 24 hours a day. And I said 5 or 6 because it's like Sunday through Friday, but it's only like half a Sunday and half a Friday. So I guess you could say that's the half and half is 5, but whatever. So that's what I like about it. And so really whatever you have going on in your daily life, you could kind of work Forex into your schedule. And then if you decide to do it full time, then you could do it full time and also make that your schedule. So say you want to trade 2 hours a day, you could pick whatever 2 hours in that 24-hour time period that you want that to be, and you could catch your pips and make your money in that 24-hour time period, right? In that 24-hour time period, you can do whatever you need to do, catch how many pips, make all your money in that 24-hour time period. So really saying what the best time to trade is really up to you in that 24 hours. Whenever you feel like making your money, if you a morning person and you want to get up at 4 a.m. or 3 a.m. and catch the beginning of the London session and trade that, you can. If you want to, trade at the end of the day at 10 o'clock at night or 8 o'clock in the morning, whatever you want to do, basically you can fit Forex into that. But there are specific things that you should be doing. So it's kind of based on whatever pair you want to trade. So whatever pair you want to trade, you really are supposed to trade it in session, right? So specific currencies have specific sessions, and you trade those currencies in whatever session. So for example, the New York session goes from 8 a.m. Eastern till 5 p.m. Eastern, and during that session you want to trade pairs that are USD and CAD. So that's the Canadian dollar. So that's USD CAD, USD JPY, NZD USD, oil, gold, SPX 500, US 30, etc., etc., etc. Because during 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., those are the times that the pairs are going to move the most. Now, the Asian session is from 5 p.m. All the way until 3 a.m. in the morning. So it's actually called like the Asian session is made up of the Tokyo session and the Sydney session, but I just blend it all together and call it the Asian session from 5 p.m. to 3 a.m. And the reason why I do that is because that session is not very versatile or anything like that. Nothing really happens, but the pairs that you want to trade during that session is JPY, NZD, AUD, and Swiss franc, right? Those are the pairs that you want to trade during that session. And then the last session, which is the most versatile session of them all, is the London session, and that's from 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then, as you notice, the first session that I mentioned was the New York session, and the third session that I mentioned was the London session. So the London session and the New York session actually have an overlap of 3 hours between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. And that's when the market is the most versatile, right? That's when the market is the most versatile during that overlap, because those are two sessions combining together. So in the London session, you want to trade Euro and GBP, right? And if you think this video is kind of like fast, it's because I literally have like another video that's very, very, very simple and more detailed and longer than this one. I'm gonna put the link in the description box, but I got the question, and the question popped up so many more times that I thought I'd just make a new video. But I'm not gonna really go in as detailed as I did before, because this is already a video that I've already made. Couple announcements. This is day 2 of March Madness. So if you don't know what the March Madness is that I'm doing, go to 2 videos ago. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below, but 2 videos ago I explained what I'm doing all month. So if you have any questions about Forex and you want to see it in a video, I will have new content out every single day of the month of March, all 31 days. So you might want to go ahead and comment on that video or DM me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, anything like that, so that you can get your question answered, hopefully in a video. So that's one thing. If you are looking to join my investment group, please hit me up. 234 to enroll. I have a single check that's $100 a month, and I also have one-on-one sessions that are $50 an hour. So if you are interested in any of those, please hit me up. And also, I'm going to put my link back below because a lot of people been asking me, like, where is it? But I have a link that basically you can make money downloading apps and playing games. Literally, I made like $3,000 off this app, just downloading apps and playing games. Just something that you could do in your spare time. So that link is also going to be below, and I am going to tag it. So I got 3 links below. One is the link to my more detailed, like, what pair should you trade in what session video. The second one is the link to my first video that was made on February 29th that explained what the March Madness was. And the third link is going to be a link to an app that basically shows you how to make money just from downloading games and playing apps, right? So yeah, that's basically it, you guys. Second video on March Madness. We're going to keep it going tomorrow. Make sure if you do not have my alerts on, turn them on. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you want to support me, just share one of my videos, post them on Instagrams, tell people that you're watching it. If you know anybody interested in Forex, send them my videos. I send my love to you, and see y'all tomorrow.